As a developer or someone who manages a web server for hosting applications or software, and you are still using the default SSH port for your web server, which is 22, then I guess you are making a mistake. I'm going to put you through how you can change your SSH port on your Linux server. Here's how. So the first thing I want to do is to log into the server. So I'll just SSH to the server like this. What is this? Let me clear up the screen so you can see clearly. And then I will navigate to the SSH configuration file and change the port. So let's do that. So so look for where there is port 22, which is this, and change it to something else. You can change it to 2233 or whatever you want to use. So let me just use this 2233. Yeah, I think it goes. And then just ensure that whatever port you are using, another service is not currently using that port on your server, else it's going to cause conflict. So I'm just going to save it using Ctrl 0 like this, and then exit. So the next thing I want to do is to ensure I open that port on my firewall, so it will be able to connect whenever I want to connect to the server. So I'm using this allow 2233 and TCP. So the rule has been added to my firewall. The next thing I want to do is reload the firewall and also restart SSH service. So we'll do this like that. And then restart this firewall service using the systemctl and ctl command like this. That is how to change the SSH port on your Linux server. And these are things you should put in mind when changing your SSH port. Before you close that session, I mean the terminal session where you close your SSH port, make sure you log into another session to confirm that you are not logged out of your server and that the port you just opened is working fine. Number two is, do not use a port that's already being used by another service. It's going to cause a conflict and then might crash things for you. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.